Previously on No Pros RC.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have the Mustang drift car out, and we're going to see if the front wheels that has grip and the back wheels that doesn't, I want to see how she's drifting, if that makes it approved or not. It's coming up to you next on this episode of No Pros RC. Guys, there you have it. Very hard to steer it and control, like do a controlled drift, but it's very responsive. I may have to do some settings on the transmitter to you know, kind of adjust it, but yeah, other than that, it seems like it's a blast to drive. I'm gonna put the rear tires, rubber tires on the rear. It's the same as the front. Take the drift tires off and then see where we're at with that. Seems like it'll be a lot of fun to drive with all rubber going around the back. I mean, with all rubber going on all fours versus the drift tires in the rear. We'll revisit the drift tires, but for right now, I want to see how she runs with rubber all the way around her. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, throw a likes up, throw a thumbs up if you like this video and the drift Stang. And as always, thank you for taking your valuable time to watch us, and we'll see you on the next drift Stang video. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.